Hello everybody, it's Jason Dickens with eXp Realty here in Charleston, South Carolina, and today I want to talk to you about credit scores. First, we'll get into how to improve your score, maybe ways you're not sure of, never heard of before, heard rumors about. We'll kind of try to sort through some of that and get you some basic information. And then look at the actual scores that you need now to get qualified for a home loan through some of the popular programs available. So first, let me check the notes here. There's a lot of ways that you can lower your score that we're all aware of. You're able to pay down debt, maybe negotiate, might not be the best option, but paying it down or disputing things not yours or getting off fraudulent charges. These are things that we all know of and are pretty run of the mill. The ways that we're not as familiar with and people aren't aware of are credit boosting. This is a new program. It's from Experian, and basically with this tool you can connect them to your bank account, and at your bank account they'll be able to see a history of payments. Are you maybe you got a card that you're making payments on, but it's at a buy now, pay here kind of place, buy here, pay here place. You can record those payments. They can see your electric payments, things that people aren't even aware of that don't get covered under your credit score, like utility payments, water payments, cell phone. These things they can now track through your bank account and are able to link those up to your credit score, giving you an instant boost. Now that boost may only be 10, 20, 50 points. Obviously that's valuable in any point that you can get, but the bigger advantage you're going to see moving forward is you will have those ongoing payments registered. You'll be now getting payments for the next year, 2 years, accredited to your account as you move. So that's a really helpful tool there. And now, as far as the kind of credit score that you're going to need, let me see if I can bring this up here on the screen. Basically what I'll say is this: if you have a score that's in the 700s, 750 on up, this isn't really for you. The average credit score of the first-time home buyer is 684, and then that score, that's across the board. If first-time home buyers, that's their average. But generally speaking, on your conventional mortgages, conventional loans that your standard banks and credit unions will offer, you're going to need somewhere between a 620 and a 640 score. And that's going to come probably with about a 20% down payment. Now that's high, but what you're going to see on the return side is you may not have a need to carry any private mortgage insurance. So your payments not only are going to be lower because of the not having the private mortgage insurance tacked on, but you've also put a significant amount down towards the house, so you're paying on a lower principal. But for those of you that have scores that are, let's say, 500s, the FHA has quite a few programs, and one of them I actually did an article and a video on. You can see that below in the description section. Is called the FHA 203K. Now you can get a home with this loan with a 500 credit score. You're going to have to put only 10% down as well, which if you have a 580, you can still obviously apply and get in for the home. You're going to get to put down, 3.5%. So with the 500 credit score, you're looking at a score, 500 credit score, you're looking at a down payment of, let's say, 10%. And with the 580 credit score, 3.5%. Now, obviously, you're going to have a higher principal to be paying on, relatively speaking, as compared to a 20% down payment. But really, the down payments are the tough part, especially for first-time home buyers. If you own a home, you sell the home, you can use the proceeds from that home to go to the down payment. But a first-time home buyer, it's hard to get that amount saved up. In addition to the lower down payments of 10 and 3.5%, they're also offering, and these are state programs. When I say there's state programs out there. Again, another article I wrote and a video in the description below about the Palmetto Home Advantage program with down payment assistance. They will cover the down payment for you, and in a lot of cases that amount is forgivable, dependent on how long you occupy the home and other various factors. Okay, so Trying to see if there's any other loans in here that I'm missing the scores on. The VA loan, I forgot to mention the VA loan. Now, they don't have a stated minimum, but typically from experience and years of this loan being out there, you're seeing anything about a 620 score or more being approved. So you're hoping the 500 range is what I really wanted to get across. Low sixes, mid sixes, you're good. You're just going to see lowering interest payments as you get on up into your sevens and obviously 800s. So, you know, looking through it, it's kind of what you're seeing out there is the market's booming. You got a lot of people selling. It's a seller's market, but with that, there's programs that are helping buyers. State programs, as I mentioned, with the Palmetto Home Advantage or down payment assistance. So, you know, if the homes are out there, they're going to be bought, and with the increased purchasing power, you're getting better deals, competing lenders, and lower scores. You're able to now qualify. All right. Well, I hope this was helpful. Again, I'm not a mortgage professional or a financial lender or anything of that sort. I'm a realtor, a real estate agent that researches, sees these things, talks with people about them. So if you have any really specific questions, don't rely solely on my video. Please reach out. Let me know the questions you have. I'll be happy to either answer them for you or point you in the right direction. And as always, if you're looking to buy or sell, reach out. Thank you.